Hello everyone, the topic that we are going to do today is job analysis. Like the name suggests, job analysis is the analysis or the study of the job by breaking it down into various parts. So when we study a job that has to be done in the organization to fulfill its objectives by breaking it down into various parts is called job analysis. Job analysis has two factors, two components, that is job description and job specification. Job description is the study of the physical components of the job, like the responsibilities, the duties, the reporting relationships that will be there when someone holds a job, the hazardous condition of the job, the working conditions of the job, the working environment of the job. These are all the job description. When you apply for a job, you get a JD. JD is job description. That means you get what will be your roles, what will be your responsibilities, what will be your reporting relationship, who will you be working under, and who will be your subordinates, what will be the condition of your job, what will be the time of your job, what will be your working environment, does your job has any hazardous conditions involved, mental or physical. So all of these things will be your job description. The study of the job, the literal job, the physical conditions of the job is your job description. The second one is job specification. Job specification is when you determine the person who will be taking up the job, you determine the specifications of that person. What will be the qualification of the person who will be taking up that job? What will be the training, experience, skills, attitude, communication skills? All of these are job specification. So, job description is the physical condition of the job, the reporting relationship. We are determining the factors of the job in job description, roles, duties, responsibilities of the job. On the other hand, in job specification, we are determining the person that will be holding that job, what will be the specification of that person. For example, there is a job of compensation manager. So compensation manager, what will be the roles and responsibilities of a compensation manager? To calculate the compensation of various employees of the organization, to calculate the leaves taken, to calculate the incentives, the benefits given to the employees. Okay, in incorporating all the incentives and benefits in the compensation package of the employees, the reporting relationship of the employees. For example, the compensation manager, the reporting relationship, who will be the superior of the compensation manager, the HR head, okay, and who will be working under the compensation manager, what will be the condition of the job of the compensation manager, where in which department the compensation manager will be working. For example, the compensation manager will be working in the HR department, will be sitting with HR department, okay. And now this is called the job description. The job of compensation manager, we have described the job. Job specification, on the other hand, would be the person who will be taking the job of compensation manager, what skills, what education. For example, the person should be MBA, the person should be trained in compensation management, the person should be having an experience of 0 to 5 years. The person who will be taking up the job should have a good communication skills, should have analytical skills. So these are job specifications. That means we are specifying the qualifications, the qualities of the person who will be taking up the job. So job analysis, a broader concept of studying a job. Then we are breaking down the job analysis into two components, job description and job specification. Job description is the description of the job. What are the conditions of the job? What are the physical aspects of the job? Okay, job specification is the specification of the person who will be occupying that job. Okay, now let's do the importance of job analysis. The first one is human resource planning. Human resource planning cannot be done without job analysis. If you do not know what kind of job is there in the organization, what kind of people you require to fill these jobs, human resource planning is not possible. Human resource planning is determining what kind and what number of people are required. So if you don't know what kind of job is there, what kind of people are there required for that job, you cannot go further with planning the human resource for the organization. Next is recruitment and selection. So when you are carrying out the process of recruitment and selection, job analysis becomes the basis of recruitment and selection. What job are you hiring for? That will come from job analysis. What kind of specifications are you seeking in the person that you're hiring? That will come from job analysis. Next is training and development. So the job description and specification, if there is any gap between the two, that means the roles and responsibilities mentioned in job description, the specification of the person acquiring that job, on that job, if the person is not able to fulfill those roles and those responsibilities, those duties, that means there is a gap between job description and job specification, which is not ideal. So that means people who are holding the job should be able to fulfill the job description. So if there is a gap, that gap can be bridged only by training and development, and the requirement of training and development will be identified by studying the job description and the job specification. Next is placement and orientation. How you're going to place people in the organization, how are you going to conduct orientation of the people who are joining your organization. For that, again, you need a base of job analysis. That means you need to know what kind of people are going to join, what kind of people are you going to place in your organization, and you will only be able to introduce them to their jobs, to their responsibilities, to their duties if you know them, if you know the responsibilities, you know the job according to the job analysis. Next is job evaluation. So job evaluation is calculating the worth of the job, the salary that will be given on that job. So job evaluation will be done on the basis of job analysis, the roles, the responsibilities, the duties, the hazardness of the job, okay, the specification, what kind of people are required, what skills are required, what experience is required. All of these factors will combine together, and then job evaluation can be done. Then the salary of the job can be determined. Then is performance appraisal. So whatever performance appraisal will be done, that means keeping the job description as a basis. That means roles and responsibilities are already defined, whether the people are able to fulfill those roles and responsibilities or not. On that basis, the performance appraisal will be done. So these are the importance of job analysis. Why job analysis should be done? It is not just for recruitment and selection or hiring of people. It becomes a basis for various other factors that we have just discussed. Let's do now the process of job analysis. The process of job analysis is first organizational job analysis, second selection of representative jobs, third data collection, next is job description, then job specification. So first you will analyze what kind of jobs are required in the organization to fulfill the requirement or to fulfill the objective of the organization. What kinds of jobs are required, what kind of work has to be done in the organization to fulfill the requirements or to fulfill the objective of the organization. So we will first identify various works, various jobs that has to be done in the organization. Second, we will select the representative job. See, if we select all the jobs and start breaking them down, it becomes difficult and it is very time consuming and expensive process for the organization. So we pick up various representative jobs. For example, we have picked up the job of an HR manager. So the job of an HR manager will be almost similar to job of an HR assistant manager or an HR intern, okay, or job of a financial manager, then a job of accountant, job of assistant finance manager. So we will pick up some representative jobs. We have picked up job of HR manager, finance manager, marketing manager, social media manager. We have picked up some representative jobs. Now we break these jobs down into job description and job specification. Okay, that means we pick up some representative jobs, then we collect data on these jobs, that what all has to be done on these positions, on these jobs, what are the various responsibilities, duties, roles that has to be performed on these representative jobs, that can be trickled down to various other positions that are similar to these jobs. Then we break these jobs into job description and job specification. So this is the process of job analysis. Okay, bye.